Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to show you my biggest gain from trading options so far. I don't know if you guys know, but Zoom did pretty well this week. On Monday morning, I learned that Zoom is doing their quarterly earning call at the end of the market. So when I learned this, and I've been watching Zoom this past few weeks, and I've seen that it's been going up, and I just knew that they will have a good run up after the call. So what I did was I bought one contract at around 6:30 in the morning. So as you guys can see right here, I bought one contract for $800. And look at this. I sold it as soon as I woke up Tuesday morning, and I sold it for $7,990, guys. This is my highest profit so far when it comes to option trading. I mean, $7,100 profit is not that bad for one day. So like I said, this is a quick video. I just want to be transparent to you guys. So I just want to show you one of my calls for this week. So I used my profit. I bought 3 shares of Tesla this morning, and $300 I invested it on my M1 Finance. Of course, as you guys know, I'm gonna keep growing that. That's why winning $7,100 today is really gonna help my M1 Finance portfolio a lot. I mean, that's extra $300 that I can invest, and of course, 1,500. I deposited that to my bank account to pay for my car loan. So yeah, I still have some of my gains left, and I'm gonna use it for more options this week, and hopefully I'm gonna win. Of course, if you guys wanna see my options and how I do on my options trading, just let me know in the comments below. So alright guys, thanks for watching my videos.